Hello, and welcome to Level Up Lessons for Microsoft Excel. My name is Grace, and I will be your instructor as we navigate the basics through advanced features of the program. Microsoft Excel puts a wealth of functionality at your fingertips, and I am excited to explore the program with you and to help you reap the benefits. Microsoft Excel is a highly marketable skill to add to your resume. This can help you stand out from the competition. I aim to help you increase your knowledge as well as your confidence. And with this new skill, you will be able to explore better career opportunities or position yourself for a raise or promotion. Data is the most consistent raw material required, and the most popular tool that is used for managing data is undoubtedly Microsoft Excel. This tutorial will explain and demonstrate the features of the program to help you increase your knowledge, efficiency, and work productivity. Through Microsoft Excel, you will be able to analyze, store, and retrieve data. You'll also be able to manage and manipulate large amounts of data. Additionally, you will be able to automate complex tasks, interface with other programs, and much, much more. Before we begin, I would like to mention that this tutorial requires Microsoft Excel 2007 to 2019 or Office 365. I am working with the latest version of Excel from Microsoft Office 365 Suite. For this reason, your screen may not look exactly like mine. However, you should still be able to follow along. Please note, some features may not be available for all versions. Downloadable resources are also available to help you follow along and practice. Microsoft Excel is a program used by millions on a daily basis and again is a highly marketable skill. I aim to ensure you have a full understanding of the program. Do not hesitate to reach out if you have questions or need further explanation. I would like to thank you for allowing me to be your instructor, and I am very excited and look forward to working with each and every one of you. My goal is to solidify your understanding of the program. Therefore, throughout every lesson, you will be provided with an explanation or a scenario of each function. I will provide typed step-by-step instructions in addition to a visual demonstration. Again, please reach out if you have questions. And with that being said, let's dive into your first lesson.